Hey everybody, I'm Chelsea and I'm back with another challenge of the week. Yes, another challenge of the week. But before we get into that, I just want to give another huge shout out to our essential workers. We see you and appreciate you, and we cannot thank you enough for all that you do. We received over 7,000 submissions through our Get One Give One program, and we are working hard to get those planners to you. So let's get into this week's challenge. Choose one of the 4 agreements to practice this week. At the end of the week, reflect on your experience. So what are the 4 agreements? It's a book by Don Miguel Ruiz to help individuals reach personal freedom. So the 4 agreements are: 1, be impeccable with your word. Number 2, don't take anything personally. Number 3, don't make assumptions. And number 4, always do your best. Be impeccable with your word. Your words are powerful, and the words you use create your reality. So use them for good, and especially during these times, we have to. I remember back in the day when Passion Planner first started, I was working in the garage with Angel, and I vividly remember just stopping and saying, Passion Planner is gonna be big. And this was a time when we were only shipping 1 planner a day. And I had no idea what that statement meant, but 6.5 years later, here we are, and it's bigger than I could have ever imagined. We are helping people all over the globe, and that's all thanks to you, Pash Fam. Number 2, don't take anything personally. So each individual sees the world in their own unique way, and it is a reflection of themselves. By you not taking anything personally, you are acknowledging and respecting that this individual has their own unique identity. So whatever they say, it doesn't necessarily describe you accurately. So cut them some slack and cut yourself some slack. We are all evolving people. And number 3, don't make assumptions. Also known as mind reading. But who do you know that can actually read minds? That's right. And I do want to emphasize that assumptions are different than gut feelings, as assumptions are more thoughts latching onto thoughts with no evidence. And gut feelings, it's coming from your gut. You just can't describe it. Assumptions, more often than not, we are wrong. And the solution to avoiding or mitigating assumptions is to simply ask for confirmation, seek the facts before jumping to any conclusions. And the 4th agreement, always do your best. A very important thing to note is that your best will always vary from day to day. Don't compare yesterday's best to today's best. That's just not how it goes, okay? So give yourself some grace and work to find peace in each day's best. And those are the 4 agreements. I want to emphasize that these agreements take consistent practice, and it helps to be in a constant state of learning. Always give yourself grace, and most importantly, enjoy and celebrate your journey. And lastly, we want to end this video with some words of encouragement from the Pash Fam. This is from Kaya from North Carolina. We are all going to get through this with an even bigger sense of community. You are learning what's important to you and how to function in a comfortable way. Thank you, Kaya. It's all about you guys. Take care of yourselves, find value in yourselves. You are more powerful and valuable than you think. You are more capable than you think. Though I may not know exactly what each and every one of you are going through, I am sending you love and light, and I hope you are learning something every day that helps you find value in yourself and ultimately empowers you to make a positive impact in your communities, especially during this time. And always remember, Chelsea Wong believes in you.